Hey, what's up, PancakesWap coin holder? What's going on this time? The PancakesWap price is totally increasing now. You can see, my friend, but this time they will temporarily dumps down from last 24 hours. So don't worry, my friend. Absolutely, this is temporary dump. After this dump, I'm 100% sure to the price increase because I'm going to predicate this coin, and after prediction, you will better understand, my friend, to really the price is increasing or not, my friend. Kindly, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. The market cap, you can see, my friend, 1.90% decrease now, and a fully diluted market cap 2.06%, and the volume is 46.36% decrease. Really, that is really bad news, my friend. Absolutely, if the volume is decreasing, then everything is decreasing, the price, the market cap, everything. So therefore we will need now to, the volume is decreasing because the holder are starting selling. So therefore we will need to stop selling, we will need to starting holding and buying more and more. 100% if we starting investing, then the volume is more and more increasing, and the coin is completely go to the moon. When the coin will give you a good profit, definitely sell it. I hope they will give you a profit. As you can see here, my friend, this time the pancakeswap price is jumps down. After a dump, every coin will pumps up. So therefore, as you can see, my friend, every coin will moving in this circular condition. You can see here to after a dump they will pumps, and after a pumps they will dump. So therefore, my advice, my opinion for all my viewer, my subscriber, to please starting investing and holding. And I hope, my friend, if you're starting investing, then they will give you a very good profit. So pancakeswap holders, what's your opinion, what's your advice? Share it in a comment box, and see you next time, holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope in upcoming time the very huge pumps is coming soon, and they will give you a profit. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.